Hello everyone, this is a massive update on learning languages. Why? Because AI is going to correct you. Mind-blowing, right? Let's check it out.
I'm Gigglish. Let's practice your English. What would you like to talk about?
I'd like to talk about life in general, and I would like you to correct me when I make mistakes. Is that okay?
Of course. Let's start with a simple question. What do you like to do in your free time?
In free time, I likes music.
Great. Just a small correction. You would like to say in my free time, I like music. Remember to use my before free time as it shows possession.
Can you explain why I don't have to put likes when I say I likes music? Can you explain?
Yes, I can explain. In this sentence, I likes music, the verb likes doesn't agree with the subject I. The correct form would be I like music. When the subject is I, you, we, or they, the verb like doesn't take an S at the end. The verb likes is only used when the subject is he, she, or it.
You can also ask it to give you more formal English if you already speak English and you just want to improve your vocabulary. This is brilliant. Don't miss it, you can learn a language very easily.
I can help replace informal words with more formal ones. Let's practice. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I like it, although it may make me fat.
Questions to make your response more formal. My preferred cuisine is pizza. Despite its potential effects on my health, I still enjoy consuming it.
So, if you like the video and you want an in-depth video tutorial about this marvelous Gigglish, just go to my channel. You have another tutorial from scratch, okay? You're going to love it. I'm practicing Russian, by the way. So, if you like the video, do like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools out there for you and your projects. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.